Hello, students. Last time we seen the story about the thief story, and we seen in this story that there were two characters. One character was Anil, and the other character was Hari Singh. Okay, and Anil was a young man who was kind and helpful, and Hari Singh was a 15-year-old experienced thief and a liar. Now we shall continue. Come to your page number 10. On your page number 10, first paragraph. Anil was asleep. Anil was asleep means Anil was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. So the moonlight, where it was falling on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So he thought, who kept on thinking? Hari Singh kept on thinking, if he would rob the money, he will catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow, which catch the train, and he will go to his native place to Lucknow. Sleeping out of the blanket. Sleeping means he came out of the blanket. I crept up to the bed. He came to the bed where Anil was sleeping. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Unlined means what? Hello, students. Today is your English lecture, and last time we were on lesson number 1.2, the thief story. And in this story, we seen there were two characters, one by the name of Anil and the other Hari Singh. Who was Anil? Anil was a young man and was a kind and a helpful person. Whereas Anil Singh was a 15-year-old experienced thief and a liar. Okay, we shall continue with the story. In your textbook, come to your page number 10. Anil was asleep. Anil was asleep means what? Anil was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped out over the balcony and fell on the bed. So the moonlight was falling on Anil's bed. I sat up. I means over here, Hari Singh sat on the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So he thought, if I can rob that money, he will catch the 10:30 train going to Lucknow. Sleeping out of the blanket. Sleeping means what? Coming out of the blanket. I crept up to the bed. I crept means I came to the bed where Anil was sleeping. Anil was sleeping peacefully, very, very peacefully he was sleeping. His face was clear and unlined. Unlined means what? Showing no sign of worry or anxiety. Who? Anil. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scared. So he was having lot of marks on his face. My hand slid under the mattress. Mattress means where Anil was sleeping. His hand went under the mattress, searching for the notes. What he was searching for the money. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. So he robbed the money without making a noise. Anil signed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Means he slowly came out of the room. When I was on the road, now when he was walking, who was walking? Hari Singh was walking. I began to run. I had the notes at my waist. So he had kept the notes at his waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. Pajamas means what? The pant what he was wearing. Okay, and the money was kept in his pajamas. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. In 50 means there were 600 rupees and all the notes were in 50s. I could live like an all rich Arab for a week or two. Means he thought I became a rich for a 2 week. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, so without buying a ticket, without purchasing the ticket, he went on the platform but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out and the train was supposed to leave. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. Hesitated means I was confused. He was confused for some reason. And when the train was moving, he thought I will run and catch the train. I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. And he kept on thinking, and the train went away. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. What do you mean deserted platform? Where nobody was there, not a single person was there on the platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help, and he thought of spending the night on the platform. Why? Because he had no friends, and he thought keeping a friends are only will only create a trouble. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station, and he did not want you to stay in a hotel also which were close to the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Which man he was knowing? He was knowing only Anil, whom he had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So he was walking through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of man's face when they had lost their goods. So he was able to read man's faces. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. See, this is what he read by people's face. The man showed fear. Greedy person always scared of something. The rich man showed anger, and the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. But when Anil will come to know that his money is being robbed, he'll feel very sad. Not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. And Anil would not feel bad that his money has been lost, but he will feel bad that the person whom I trusted has robbed me. I found myself in the Maidan. You know, Maidan is a playground. Maidan, and sat down on the bench. So in Maidan, there was a bench. He sat on the bench. The night was chilly. Chilly means it was cold. It was early November, and a little drizzle added to my discomfort. So it was a month of November, and the climate was very cold. So I was discomfort. I was not comfortable. Soon it was raining quite heavily, and after some time, it started raining heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin. Stuck to my skin means what? When your clothes get wet, it sticks to your skin. And a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. So there was one clock tower. He went and he sat over there. The clock showed midnight. Midnight means it was showing 12 o'clock in the night. I felt for the notes. Felt means he touched the notes. They were damp from the rain. Damp means what? The notes had become wet. Why? Because it was raining. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. So I had forgotten what good work Anil had done. Why? Because I had robbed him. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than few hundred rupees, but I was knowing if Anil would teach me how to read and write, I would able to earn more money. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. So it is not good to be a robber, but it's better to be a clever man and a respected man. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So what he thought I will go back to Anil and I will learn how to read and write. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. Nervous means he was scared, he was frightened to go back to Anil. But still, he was going back to Anil's room. For it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. So it is easy to rob somebody, but it is difficult to return what has been robbed. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. So it is a moonlight, and he opened the door quietly. Anil was still asleep. Anil was still sleeping. I crept to the head of the bed, and my hand came up with the notes. So I crept to the head of the bed. So he went to the bed, and my hands came up with the notes. He removed the notes out. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes, and slowly I managed to keep the notes under the mattress. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. So next morning I got up very late and I seen that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out of his hands towards me. There was 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. My heart sank means what? I felt very depressed. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday. He explained. Now you'll be paid regularly. So what Anil said that yesterday I got some money and now I will pay you regularly whatever money I have got. My spirit rose. Spirit rose means what? To become very hopeful. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night rain. But when he took the money, he found the notes were still wet. Today we'll start writing sentences, he said. So what Anil said, today we'll start studying and we'll read how to write the sentences. We will learn how to write the sentences. He knew, Anil came to know the whole story, the whole incident, what had happened. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So I smiled at Anil, and Anil smiled back at me. Okay, so in this story, we'll just summarize what we have studied. Now, in this story, we had Anil, a young man who was kind and helpful, and Hari Singh, who was a 15-year-old experienced thief and a liar. Hari began working for Anil and got some food in return, but stole from him when he went marketing every day. Anil not only gave Hari food but also began teaching him to read and write English. One day, Hari stole 600 rupees from Anil and planned to run away. However, he decided to return the money after much thought, as he did not want to lose Anil's trust. He also realized the importance of education in order to become a respectable person. Anil knew about Hari's theft, but he did not reveal that he knew. Instead, he gave Hari an opportunity to earn his living and became educated. Okay, students, that is the end of the lesson. Now, in your English notebook, do all this thing. In your textbook, come to page number 12. Complete the web diagram number 1. Number 2, insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in the sentence. Question number 3a, find from the text or collocation for the following. Question number 3b, complete the compound words. Question number 3c, pick out from the story 3 or 4 example of code mixing. Question number 4, read the story carefully and complete the table. Question number 5, do it. Complete the given sentences. Question number 6, do it. Question number 7, write a character or sketch of Hari Singh with the help of the given points. And question number 8, frame WH question to get the answers underlined below. Okay, this is your activity. Please do it. Hope so you will do all these activities, and in the next lecture we will check the answers. Okay, thank you, students.